Hello friends! Today, we're going to learn how to create editable text in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a text layer and disable its fill color. Then, go to the top menu bar, choose Window, and click on Appearance. Now click on Add New Fill. This will be your text color. Add another fill. Go to Effect, choose Path and then Offset Path. Set the value to 7. Then again, go to Effect, choose Distort and Transform, and click on Transform. Here, set Move Horizontal to 1, Vertical to 1, and Copies to 18. Next, add another fill. Go to Effect, choose Convert to Shape, and select Rounded Rectangle. Set the size to 33 and the corner radius to 12. Now copy this fill. Go to Effect, choose Path, and select Offset Path again. This time set the value to 6. Finally, add one more effect. Go to Effect, choose Distort and Transform, and click on Transform again. Set your preferred values and keep the number of copies to 30. And that's it. Your editable text is ready.